Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to limit who can see your status on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to control who can view your status updates or keep certain contacts from seeing them. So today I'm going to show you how to limit who can see your status on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, tap on the Status option. In this section, you will be presented with three options: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. Select the option that suits your preferences. For example, I will select this My Contact Accept option. Here, you can manually select the contacts that you want to exclude from seeing your status. Once you are done, tap on this check button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you now have successfully limited who can see your status on WhatsApp. Now, only your selected contacts will be able to view your status updates. There you go. If you wanted to know how to limit who can see your status on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to limit who can see your status on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.